Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering required ID and incident facts. This saves time when you log in. Open the Dubai Police app or website, then choose Report a Crime. Pick the correct category so the system routes it properly. Once you select incident type, enter the basic facts, date, precise location, and parties involved. This ensures the report matches patrol and investigation records. Make sure your contact number and email are accurate. Dubai Police use them for follow-up and verification. Now you fill the detailed narrative. Explain what happened, who was involved, and how it unfolded. Include specific times and actions so investigators can reconstruct events. Attach photos and video using the app's upload tool. Larger files may compress, so keep high-value originals. Carefully review each field, confirm the correct incident category, then submit. After submission, note the reference number. It links to the case and lets you check status. If you need a police visit, request it in the form. Once the report is processed, download the official PDF or request a printed copy at any police station. The PDF is legally accepted for insurance claims. Use the given reference number to track progress and see officer notes. If the system flags missing data, correct and resubmit promptly. This prevents delays. If uploads fail, clear your browser cache or try the app. If problems persist, call Dubai Police at 901 for technical support and to confirm your report was received.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.